What if I told you your body is not breaking down? It's actually trying to rebuild itself every single day. Let me ask you something. Have you been feeling more tired lately? More inflamed, more foggy, slower than before? Most people think that's just aging. But what if that's not aging at all? What if that's missing repair? Here's the truth science doesn't talk about enough. Right now, as you're watching this, your body is removing damaged cells, replacing them with new ones. Your skin renews itself every month. Your gut lining, every few days. Even your bones are constantly rebuilding. So the real question is, why do we still feel worse over time? It's not because your body stopped working. It's because the body is missing what it needs to repair. Think of your body like a repair shop. The mechanics are ready, the tools are perfect, the instructions are already written. But if the parts never arrive, the repair never happens. Today, I'm going to show you 3 simple foods. Not expensive, not trendy, not hyped, but backed by real science that can help your body repair faster and more efficiently. Superfood number 1. Greek yogurt. Let me ask you, did you know your gut controls more than just digestion? Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria. In fact, they weigh about the same as your brain. And here's the shocking part. Over 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. So when your gut is out of balance, you feel it everywhere. Fatigue, brain fog, weak immunity, chronic inflammation. Sound familiar? Research shows that probiotics, like those found in Greek yogurt, can strengthen your gut lining, improve nutrient absorption, reduce inflammation signals. And remember this, inflammation slows down repair. So when inflammation drops, repair speeds up. And here's what most people miss. Greek yogurt isn't just probiotics. It's also high-quality protein. That means it helps your body use the building blocks and absorb them properly. But wait, this is critical. If your yogurt is full of sugar, you're destroying the benefit. Plain, unsweetened always. Superfood number 2. Bananas. Bananas don't look powerful, but biologically, they're doing more than you think. Let me ask you, do you ever feel muscle cramps, sudden fatigue, low energy crashes? That could be one thing. Low potassium. Potassium controls muscle contraction, nerve signals, heart rhythm, fluid balance, and most people are deficient. Bananas also give your body quick energy. But here's the trick. Pair them with protein or healthy fat. That's how you avoid spikes and crashes. And there's more. Bananas contain prebiotics. That means they feed the good bacteria in your gut. So they don't just fuel your body, they support the system that controls repair. Superfood number 3. Eggs. If your body is rebuilding itself, it needs raw materials. And nothing beats eggs. No protein, no repair. Every part of your body depends on protein. Muscles, organs, hormones, immune cells. And eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, in the exact ratio your body needs. Now let's address the biggest mistake. Throwing away the yolk. That's where the real power is. The yolk contains vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin B12, and choline. Most people are deficient in choline, and that affects brain function, memory, liver health, nerve signaling. And guess what? Egg yolks are one of the richest sources on Earth. And no, eggs do not clog your arteries. Modern research is clear. For most people, eggs do not increase heart disease risk. Now here's where it gets interesting. These 3 foods don't just work alone, they work together. Eggs provide the building blocks. Yogurt improves absorption plus reduces inflammation. Bananas support energy plus gut bacteria. Together, they create faster repair, better digestion, stable energy, lower inflammation. Let me leave you with this. Your body is not broken. It's not failing you. It's not just aging. It's waiting, waiting for the right signals, waiting for the right nutrients, waiting for you. Food is not just calories. Food is information. And when you give your body the right information, it responds. Quietly, powerfully, consistently. Simple foods, science-backed, real repair.